Are you a fan of rap music? Then let's play an exciting challenge where we will play random rap songs and your task it to rate them from fire to trash. But before we start, here are some of the top comments from our previous videos. If you also want a shout out, don't forget to leave a comment on this one. Now, let's dive into the challenge. How would you rate Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD? Is it fire-worthy?
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I get.
What about Runaway by Kanye West? Fire or overrated?
Always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my.
Rate Stop Playing With Me by Tyler, the Creator? Dance floor hit or trash?
Bitches, what the fuck I do? Caught the plane with Matt Braun there too. Thank the gods I'm not there.
What about Bodies by Offset and JID? Banger or nah?
60 if I go to Magic or Honest, I'm just being honest. I keep a stick or a blicky in case it gets sticky.
Rate Dark Thoughts by Lil Tecca. Fire-worthy or overplayed?
No, my bitch so bad. You spend your cash on a bitch you never had. Yeah.
How about Which One by Drake and Central C? Fire or overrated?
All the girls that's here for the shoot, come put two hands on a DJ boot, then wind your waist on a.
What do you think about Humble by Kendrick Lamar? Legendary or nah?
Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and
Rate Sicko Mode by Travis Scott of Drake. Fire or mid?
Like, yeah, Pastor Dawson Shelly sending texts, ain't sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I.
What about Mask Off by Future? Timeless or trash?
Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, be it fine. Percocet, yeah, Miley.
How would you rate Like Him by Tyler, the Creator? Fire or overrated?
So do I look like
Rate Without Me by Eminem. Classic fire or skip?
created a monster? Cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want.
What about Champagne and Vacay by Travis Scott? Banger or boring?
Back and I'm causing a stir. How the fuck I got the drink out of Europe? Shawty keep twisting her herb.
Rate Chains and Whips by Clips. Fire or nah?
The question marks block your blessings. It's no tombstones in the desert.
How would you rate Finest by Youngboy Never Broke Again? Fire or not your taste?
Horseman at his finest. All my life I.
What do you think about Into Club by 50 Cent? Timeless or trash?
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon'
Rate Drip Too Hard by Gunna and Lil Baby. Fire-worthy?
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought them.
How would you rate Mo Bamba by Sheck Wes? Hyper trash.
Hoes calling.
'em. What about Love Sosa by Chief Keef? Fire or overrated?
Love Sosa, oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys.
Rate Barbie World by Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice. Banger or skip?
The Barbie, I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull it.
What about Panda by Designer? Fire or nah?
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit card.
How would you rate Goosebumps by Travis Scott? Fire or boring?
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to.
Rate Houdini by Eminem. Legendary or trash?
Pulling up in a Chrysler to the cipher with the flex perks and a Bud Light shirt. Lyrical technician.
What about Did It First by Ice Spice and Central C? Fire or nah?
If he's cheating, I'm doing him worse. No Uno, I hit the reverse. I ain't tripping the grip in my purse.
Rate All of the Lights by Kanye West. Fire or mid? What about Bodak Yellow by Cardi B? Fire worthy.
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red.
Rate Hotline Bling by Drake. Banger or overrated?
That can only mean one thing. I know.
How would you rate Squabble Up by Kendrick Lamar? Fire or trash?
Her, my babies.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. Hot key, keep a horn on me.
What about Rockstar by DaBaby and Roddy Ricch? Fire or nah?
Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like.
Rate Hats Off by Lil Baby, Lil Durk, and Travis Scott. Fireworthy?
Like a gamble, I'm playing a lotto. I'm betting it all, cause I know that I got 'em. Remember me, I was driving it.
How would you rate Sucka Free by Tyler, the Creator? Fire or overrated?
Back up, got my racks up. Baby blue, beamer, watch it back up. Got my drill.
What about Bad and Bougie by Migos Fat? Lil Uzi Vert. Fire or nah?
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah.
Rate I Think by Tyler, the Creator. Legendary or trash? How would you rate Freestyle by Lil Baby? Fire or skip?
Pulling up and Billy Truck. Make these bitches fall in love. All of my niggas on go. No.
What about Lose Yourself by Eminem? Fire or nah?
Joking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over.
And finally, rate Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar. Fire or overrated?
Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to Cell Block 1.
That's it for today. So, which songs did you give fire ratings? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more rap challenges every day.